There is no place like home. Muli at muli igbalik. Ing kapampangan nga tamong tuknangan. Yan pong mamunta na ka rin alimang bansa. Bukod pa kin direct flight, patila po nga usan layover or stopover. Makanya kami biyatake niya. It is like a layover or stopover. Tutok ng tamo mo kinipan saman tagna. Because this is not our home. Our final resting home is not here on earth, but in heaven. Ating pangtutok yung destinasyon. At no ko rin niya papunta ita, iligaya, itang. Kupupalo nung inumemini kay kayo kabawang kay katang mabuhiya na niya ping makasulat. Uy, ha? Yari na itang stopover na. Yari na yung layover na. Yari na yung tinok ng pwede. Umena na yung isundo yung biyahe na papunta ingit pa. He is going home. Sigurado ko po, ikayo pong kapamilya na, ikayo pong kamag-anak na, ikayo pong mikikilala kayo, ikayo pong testigo nung naluyang klaseng biye, hindi na kaya kayo. Ning kaya pa na, ning lugod na, ning kamanyaw na. Dakal niya gewag mayang. Ikayo pong meging saksikan ta. Ngayon pong metene, o tang mikot-kot ne. E gana-gana pong gewa ng mayap. Mateo mo naman, mawala. Ito puso. You will forever cherish those moments when you felt the love coming from Him.
If I could get another chance, another war, another dance with Him, I'd play a song that would never ever end. How I'd love, love, love to dance with my Father again. When my mother would disagree, to get my way I would run from her to him. He makes me laugh just to comfort me, yeah. Then finally makes me do just what my mom said. Later that night when I was asleep, he left $1 under my sheet. Never dreamed that he would be gone from me.
Yan yung buting mo sa nalita mo, iligaya banwa. Final resting place na ipailawan ng uli. Ala ng sakit, ala ng problema, ala ng lungkot, ala ng bahaya, doon ay ligaya, tulad, kapas naman, sayabin, in Diyos.